Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best hunting chair on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Browning Camping Strutter Hunting Chair. This chair by Browning is one of the top-selling models for this year and is also one of my personal favorites for a couple of reasons. First of all, it is one of the lightest, if not the lightest in this guide, weighing at only 7 pounds. This makes it extremely easy to carry around, especially considering it can easily fold and has a shoulder strap that makes it very portable, and you also get a carry bag. The frame is powder-coated steel and is designed to hold up to 300 pounds, which is impressive, considering there are bigger, bulkier chairs that can hold less weight. Another thing I love about this chair is that its frame is designed in such a way that you get 2 armrests that are padded for more comfort. And comfort is needed since the backrest and seat aren't exactly first class in this regard. Still, they are quiet, which is a must-have for a ground-blind chair. There are 4 independently adjustable legs that allow you to rotate them according to the terrain you are sitting on. This will help you tackle uneven surfaces and make the chair far more stable. Pros: extremely lightweight. Has a shoulder strap and carrying bag. Rotating feet help with uneven terrains. Has padded armrests. Cons: the seams are a known weak spot. Number 2. Guide Gear Swivel Hunting Chair. If you are searching for a comfortable metal folding shooting chair, then the Guide Gear Swivel is the best choice for you. It is constructed from durable materials to ensure the longevity of the product. It is important to note that it comes with steel tubing legs and a sturdy frame. In addition, it comes with a 360-degree swivel situated on top and a black powder-coated paint finish. The unique feature of this shooting chair is the 2-1/4 thick padded cushion and the padded backrest. The padded cushion is covered with tough 300D nylon with a PUR coating. The coating protects it from wear and tear. It is worth mentioning that the chair weighs a bit under 12 pounds. While you might think that all that would cost you an arm and a leg, this chair is actually very well priced and is an excellent value for its money. It is cheaper than some of the top models on this list but offers more real estate than most of its competitors. The biggest downside is, of course, the overall bulkiness and weight. Features: it is designed for a permanent blind or deer stand. It comes with a padded seat and backrest. It features a sturdy design that will last for a long time. Easy to deploy and pack. Number 3. Alps Outdoorz Stealth Swivel Hunting Chair. Are you looking for a chair that provides you with stability regardless of the conditions? If so, consider the Alps Outdoorz Stealth Hunter Blind Chair, our number 1 pick for best hunting chair. You can independently adjust each of the legs of this chair, and the wide footpads increase stability. You can adjust the chair's height, and its polyester material offers durability. In addition, it comes with a lifetime warranty. If we had to choose one adjustable swivel hunting chair to hunt from, this would be it. Unmatched for comfort and versatility. We love our Alps Outdoorz Stealth Hunter Blind Chair. Still, if the chair isn't comfortable enough for you, Alps Outdoorz also sells a chair seat cover which is fairly cheap and makes all the difference. In terms of its dimensions, the chair is very well sized and has a maximum height of 37 inches, which is good enough for almost all blinds. The chair itself weighs almost 17 pounds and can support up to 275 pounds. In terms of practicality and portability, the chair is fairly hard to set up and pack, but it comes with a compression strap to keep things tight during transportation and has a shoulder strap as well. Features: powder-coated steel frame. Adjustable seat height. 4 adjustable legs. 360-degree swivel seat. Number 4. Browning Huntsman Swivel Hunting Chair. The Browning Huntsman is a staff favorite here at deerhuntingguide.net, and when you look at the features of this hunting chair, you will see why. The ergonomic seat adjusts up and down with a wide backrest. However, keep in mind that the Huntsman does not include armrests, which some people look for in a ground blind chair. The Browning Huntsman is a super comfortable hunting chair that is perfect for a ground blind. It is a staff favorite here at deerhuntingguide.net. Dimensions-wise, this chair has a good width for its seat and can be adjusted from 17.5 to 23 inches. This will allow most people to be at the perfect height for shooting through the ground blind's windows. Despite the sturdy steel frame, the chair has a maximum weight capacity of 275 pounds, which might be partially due to the lack of a fourth leg. Despite being just 3, the legs have adjustable swivel platforms at the end of each one, which allows them to be adjusted to the terrain and prevents sinking. If the blind has a dark interior, these types of chairs really contribute to the overall concealment. Number 5. Ameristep High Back Hunting Chair. Having a back on a chair is always a good thing, especially if you're going to be sat there for 3 or 4 hours. While the high back of this chair is excellent, the rest of the seat is a little too narrow for it to be perfectly comfortable. It comes in narrow, but this makes it very easy to both store and carry, two things that are invaluable to hunters worldwide. Although it is relatively small and lightweight, that doesn't affect the sturdiness of this chair. It can withstand quite a significant weight without showing any signs of pressure. A very stable chair is easy to place in all kinds of terrain with the knowledge that it will stay in place. There is a handy storage pouch under the seat so you can easily store your gear. The one downfall of this chair that cannot be avoided is how noisy it is. If you move or try to turn on this chair, then it squeaks quite loudly, which is far from ideal for hunting. Pros: high back for added support. Incredibly stable and sturdy. Lightweight and easy to carry. Very small, so fits into backpacks easily. Gear storage. Cons: narrow seat means it isn't comfortable for long hours.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.